Good morning, students. Today we will learn about a poem of Standard 8 literature book, My Mother, written by a distinguished scientist and the ex-president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Everyone knows about APJ Abdul Kalam, and he was a great scientist and known as Missile Man of India. And the striking picture of his life that means he was living, he follows simple living, high thinking. He loves to interact with the children because children are the future of citizen, future of the country, and the country, the progress of the country grows on the performance of the children. So they are the real wealth for the country. Children are the real wealth of the country. So, but here he has described about his mother. That shows that he loves his mother too much. As we know that mother and motherlands are greater than the heaven. So he finds everything in his mother. He was greatly influenced by the piety, religiousness of his mother. And his mother also shaped his personality. It is because of his mother and he could face the whole world without fear, very confidently. And this is a poem by Abdul Kalam about the mother. And the mother is the word, the sweetest word in the earth. Okay, so let's discuss. She waves golden sand and pilgrim's faith. All things are found in my mother. My mother, my mother. This is repeated throughout the poem. My mother, my mother. Okay. He finds everything in his mother. The story I recall that Lord Shiva and his sons Ganesha and Kartik, and one day Lord Shiva made a test that how do you obey me, how much do you love me, and one task you have to complete. So you have to move around the world, and who would reach to me first after completing the task, and he is my competent worthy son. And Kartik came with his Bahan, Ikak, started the journey to move around the world. But Ganesh is very intelligent, and he thought and he just moved around his parents, Parvati and Lord Shiva, and told that my task is over. And Lord Shiva got surprised and asked, how did it happen? But he explained that you are the whole world, you are the creator, we are everything, means you are the creator. This is the world for me. So I moved around you. It's just like moving around the world. How intelligently Lord Ganesh answered. So here, everything I find in my mother. You come to like heaven's carrying arms. Mother is like, mother gives warmth, love. Mother is self-sacrificing. Your hands are like heaven's carrying arms, Shivili. Like heaven's care. I remember the war days, Second World. The life was challenge and toil, very hard. It is difficult to earn. There is a scanty of jobs. At that time, Abdul Kalam was working very hard to support his family, to support his parents. So what was he doing? He was getting up early in the morning before the dawn and walks miles to learn the lesson from the saintly teacher near the temple, and again miles to the Arab teaching school, again miles to the Arab teaching school, and also he climbs the sandy hills to the railway station to collect and distribute newspaper among the temple city citizens. So he was climbing sandy hills, odd path. He was going through the odd path to collect a newspaper from the railway station and distributes in every household. And he was doing such a daunting task, difficult task, and then he gets ready for school and distribute newspaper to temples. It's a few hours after sunrise going to school. In the evening time he helps his father in the business before he sits for study at night. In the evening also he helps his father, and all this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transform into the pious strength. Means all the pain the child was getting transformed into pious then. If you work hard, there is no pain, no gain. It is told now. Pain brings gain. Difficulty leads to the achievement. So all the pain I get was transformed into pious strength. Pious strength. This is the strength, moral strength. And my mother, you transform all our pain. And kneeling and bowing 5 times, mother offers namaz. As Abdul Kalam belongs to Muslim community, and mother appears very religious and offers namaz. Means kneeling and bowing 5 times. This shows she was really deeply religious, and that impact, that means her religiousness has cast impact on the personality of Abdul Kalam. And for the grace of Almighty only mother, means she prays to God for the well-being of her family, of her children. Okay, your young strong piety is your child, your piousness is the strength for your child. And mothers pray not for themselves, mothers pray for the well-being of their family members. Very self-sacrifice. So that Indian mothers are great, heavenly. Okay, and you always shared your best with who needed the most, and mother loves to give. She does not like to take. So that she is very self-sacrificing. Okay, you always gave repetition. You always gave with faith in Him, in God. Him, H capital, faith in God. I still remember the days. And when I was 10, sleeping in the lap of my mother, and my brothers and sisters were getting envious of me. But children, means if they, one has a brother and sister, and sometimes they quarrel and they become envious. If the means they always complain, that means mother or father love my younger brother or younger sister. So they become envious. Okay, jealous, but in a positive sense. Sleeping on your lap and the envy of my elders and brothers and sisters. It was full moonlight. And my world only you knew, mother, you know my world. Mother knows everything of the child. Mother understands the pain of the child. And my mother, repetition. Mother, my mother. When at midnight I woke, tear falling on my knee, means mother sheds tear because her children are working so hard for the family. And the tears fall from her eyes. On my knee, and I get up, I found mother's eyes are wet with tears. You knew the pain of your child, my mother. Your caring hands tenderly remove. Your caring hands, the mother's caring hand. Mother gives warmth, love, okay, gives strength. And your caring arm, Okay, means your tender caring hands tenderly remove all the pain when you suffer, and when your mother's caring hands means just removes all the pain that you get. Okay, so your love repeated, your love, your care, your faith gave me strength. Whatever mother does, that gives the strength to the child. His mother is pious, the child learns a lot of things from his parents. Okay, and the face to face the world with fear, with his strength, means whatever the mother teaches, the mother's piousness gives the strength to the child to face the whole world confidently without fear, because he gets the courage, he gets the values from mother. He would not be afraid in future. Okay, we will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. We must meet on the great judgment day. So there is a judgment day in Christian Bible. That judgment day means after 100 years, an era comes to end, a new era comes. Okay, at the cost of the old one, doomsday, the world will be destroyed, a new world. Okay, and those who have done the right thing, and they would get rebirth. Okay, and the poet was sure that I will meet my mother on the day of judgment. Okay, on the day of judgment. So, judgment day, oh my mother. Thank you, children. And next poetic devices and other things, we will have another video. Thank you. I hope that you must understand, it will help you a lot. Thank you.